Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove the password from your Windows 11 computer. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, make sure your Windows 11 computer is fully powered on and has completely loaded up. You'll want to wait until everything is ready and you can see your desktop clearly before proceeding with the next steps. Once your PC is ready and you're at your desktop, direct your attention to the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Look for the Windows Start menu icon, which is typically located on the left side of your taskbar. Go ahead and click on it to open the Start menu. This is your gateway to accessing all the system settings and features you'll need. After the Start menu opens, you'll see a search bar at the top. In this search bar, type in Sign-in options and then press Enter on your keyboard. This will take you directly to the security and sign-in settings for your Windows account, where you can manage how you access your computer. A Microsoft Sign-in options menu will now appear on your screen. This menu displays all the different ways you can sign into your Windows account, including passwords, PINs, and biometric options. From here, locate and click on the password option. This is where you can modify or remove your current password settings. Now you'll be prompted to enter your existing password for security verification purposes. Go ahead and type in your current password in the field provided, then click on the Next button. This step ensures that only the account owner can make changes to the password settings, protecting your account from unauthorized modifications. After clicking Next, you'll be taken to a new page where you're prompted to enter a new password, confirm that password, and add a password hint. Here's the key part. To remove your password entirely from Windows 11, simply leave all three fields completely blank. Don't type anything in the new password field, the confirmation field, or the password hint field. By leaving everything blank, you're essentially telling Windows that you don't want any password protection on your account anymore. Once you've confirmed that all fields are empty, click on the Next button to finalize the process. Windows will now apply this change and remove the password requirement from your account, and you'll no longer need to enter a password when signing in. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.